Master built with a grand facade on top of the hill, this is your opportunity to own number 20 Laura Street, Middleton Grange. Come, let's have a look. Showcasing first-class appointments across an impressive double-storey floor plan, this brand new home is fully tiled on the lower level with multiple living areas throughout. The remarkably large kitchen is fitted with Caesar stone tops with waterfall edges, soft closing drawers and doors, a massive island with gorgeous pendants and a walk-in pantry. The bifold doors create a seamless outdoor flow onto an entertaining terrace and child-friendly lawn. The upper level awards a retreat with peaceful views over the balcony, plus 4 spacious bedrooms, including an indulgent master suite with walk-through robes to a lavish ensuite with double showers. Offering a media room with an option of a 5th bedroom, this home is just perfect for the growing family. This elevated north-facing block is in a quiet cul-de-sac within walking distance to Thomas Hassall Anglican College and moments to the Westlink M7. Ladies and gentlemen, properties like this are very rare to come across, so I urge you to take the time to come view this at the next open for inspection.